Dokia Capital Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Dokia Capital are in the description. Dokia Capital is a professional, non-custodial staking provider offering secure and high-performance validation services for a wide range of proof-of-stake (POS) networks, including Ethereum, Cosmos, Polkadot, Solana, Near, Tezos, and more. Built for both institutional and retail investors, Dokia Capital ensures maximum uptime, reliable staking rewards, and robust security measures to protect user funds. One of Dokia Capital's key strengths is its enterprise-grade infrastructure, designed to maintain high availability and slashing protection. Their validators operate in geo-redundant data centers, ensuring network reliability and 99.9% uptime, minimizing the risk of missed rewards. As a non-custodial staking service, users always retain full control over their assets while benefiting from optimized staking yields. For institutional clients, Dokia Capital offers customized staking solutions, detailed analytics, and governance support, making it an ideal choice for funds, exchanges, and large-scale investors. Retail users benefit from an easy-to-use delegation process, requiring no technical expertise while still enjoying competitive staking returns. Dokia Capital also actively participates in blockchain governance, allowing stakers to have a say in key network upgrades and proposals. This gives users more than just passive rewards. It enables them to shape the future of the networks they stake on. Security is a major focus, with advanced monitoring, real-time alerts, and automated failover systems, ensuring funds remain protected at all times. Additionally, the platform offers liquid staking options, allowing users to stake their assets while retaining liquidity, which is especially useful for those leveraging DeFi opportunities. With low commission rates, high staking yields, and a commitment to decentralization, Dokia Capital is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to stake securely and efficiently. Whether you're an institutional investor or a retail user, their platform provides a seamless staking experience with optimized rewards. If you're ready to start earning passive income through staking, check the links in the description and stake with Dokia Capital today.